Hi folks, welcome to another Toolbox Tuesday. Today I've got a special draw for you. Let's have a look. So, here we are back at the box. We're going to go in on this draw. Fourth one down. Now this is what I consider my engineering draw, because everything I need to do precision shit is in here. Well, other than that, you know, that just hacks shit apart. So, in here, we've got a heat gun. We've got a little filing stone. Oh, we've got fucking shit everywhere. This is a digital thermometer. Oh my god, getting shit. Joey, how the fuck do you do things with one hand, man? So yeah, digital thermometer. This is a torch. The batteries are dead, but this is also a lighter. I'm not quite sure why it's in this drawer, to be fair. That should be in the fucking water box. So yeah, we've got a grinding stone. I've got to put all this shit somewhere. Random bit of sandpaper. You've always got to clean shit up. So this is my snap-on box of easy outs. Yeah, stud extractors. I cannot open this with one hand. Hold up. Joey, don't buy the snap-on easy outs. You can't open them with one hand, bud. Yeah, I've snapped with the drills, but all of the actual extractors are still good. Just move it over there. Got a little pot of random shit. We've got a massive fucking, look at that. 3/4 10 Whitworth. I mean, look at the size of that fucking thing. And we've got a couple of tap wrenches, small, big, some feeler gauges. These little pots are great for, keep your takeaway pots, people. Keep your takeaway pots, because it just keeps everything in a nice tidy little fucking pile. I've got some random shit. All of these taps are Imperial. Look at that, it's a thread tap. What one's that? Say Imperial, isn't it? Oh, there we go. We've got an M8 125. It's a dual tap. Fucking focus, you dick. How hard is it to focus on a fucking... Oh my goodness gracious me. Right, the more I fucking try and focus on it, the more it fucking doesn't. Fucking stupid fucking phone. Don't buy a fucking Samsung, because it don't focus for shit. So yeah, I've got some random taps in there. Then, right, so this is what I was trying to get at. This is why I'm trying to pull all of this. So here is my tap and die set, but it's well, it is what it is drills and taps. So then on here you've got all of the measurements for what you need, and then we've got all of the taps one side, and then we've got all of the drills the other side. Obviously I've broke a couple. That is the tap wrench for that's in that box, and then that's the handle for that tap wrench. So yeah, that's my little tap and die set. That's, yeah, it's all metric, so these all equate to the same thing. So all of these drills are the right, oh sorry, all of these drills are the right sizes for them taps. This is a cheap set from Lidl, I think, as you could probably tell from the fucking work there thing. But the plan was I was going to inevitably break shit and then replace it with decent stuff as it broke, and then just keep that in a nice tidy little box. And as I don't use it that often, that's why all this shit's just on top. So, well, that's that. So then we've got a heat gun. We've got a Makita power drill. You watch, I won't get this fucking back in the fucking box now. So, then we've got snap-on battery for this drill. This is an absolute fucking monster of a drill. Right, it runs on these fucking old Myco batteries. Don't buy the lithium ones, seriously. Right, if you're ever going to buy snap-on, buy the fucking old school shit. This will fucking rip your hand off with that battery. Don't buy the fucking bags of shit fucking lithium ones. They're fucking awful. The triggers break, the batteries break, they're fucking atrocious. We've got a little Makita set, hole saws. You can see I've burnt a couple out. I need to replace that one. That one's fucking chewed a couple of teeth, so I think I'll replace that. This here is a little hole saw specifically for parking sensors. And then obviously the arbors. So we've got a cheap box here, but this is actually full of dormer drills. I just kept the cheap box and then bought a shitload of dormer drills. Like I said, replaced them all. So yeah, they're all sort of beautiful, sharp, you know, lovely edges. I keep them clean. Just a little DeWalt drill, because if you want to do some delicate work, it's handy to have that. The batteries, they come as a set with a little impact driver, and the batteries will be there in a minute. This is just a pot of, this is like the random pot. We've got a chuck here. I bought them from Michelle because she was doing something. Got some random shit. Little chuck key. Morse taper, fucking wedge. Another chuck key, a smaller chuck key. Tiny little dot punch. Got a little impact driver, sort of screwdriver thing. That's just my little random pot of random things. Under that, there's my little Zeus book. This is like just a book of knowledge, although it's kind of obsolete now because you can almost Google anything on your smartphone, but I like it. You know, all sorts of shit, like, fuck's sake. Standard bit sizes, you can go all the way down to what standard size is. Look, fucking thread sizes, 55-degree thread sizes. So tapping drills for that as well. So it's handy to keep just in case you need it. Although, to be fair, like I said, you can Google most shit now. And then I've just got a random pot of drills here that I picked up from a car boot sale that I haven't ever sorted out. Well, that's it for another Toolbox Tuesday. Again, it's just a random draw every single Tuesday. There's a few of us doing it. Please go check out my friends. All the links for their channels will be in the description. We've got Outlaw Edge, we've got Mill Creek Fab Shop, we've got Myco Knight, Mopar, and Ralfy Customs, and please do not forget Papito's Casa Welding. You know, all trying to big each other up, all trying to do help each other out, and yeah, just please, just go give them a sub, go give them a like, drop in the descriptions, let them know that Danny sent you. Please go check out my Teespring store. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, cups in varying different colours. Every little helps. Please also try and support me on Patreon and through PayPal donating. You know, I'm trying to get this unit sorted out as best as I can. Every little helps. So I'll speak to you next time. Catch you later. Bye.